how to enable or disable Fingerprint Always On the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we then scroll down and tap on lock screen and AOD. From here, tap on screen lock and biometrics. Then we enter in the current PIN and tap on continued. After that, tap on fingerprints. Then we go down and tap on Fingerprint Always On. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch this on. Here select scan your fingerprint even when the screen is off. So here when the screen is off, you can just simply touch on it to immediately unlock your screen without having first to turn on the screen. And that's it. So here we can simply just place your finger on the scanner and it will automatically unlock the screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.